Hello friends, I see you all have become a wonderful designers. Many of you have become extremely good designers and I'm really thrilled to see all your assignments, practical tests, really wonderful. Continue to make good designs with your efforts. And my dear friends, many of you have raised your clarification with regard to invitation making. I shall give you a small demonstration on invitation designing. Dear friends, invitation designing varies different sizes. You can avail any of your own size, but still there are standard sizes for which only covers available at shops. If you are making your own size, then you will have to make your own cover. Now I am going with one of the standard sizes available in the market. Now the size is 6 inch width and 8 inch height and 300 resolution. Now setting the background, I'm just making use of internet. Go to internet, invitation background HD. HD high definition, it gives you a bigger image. Just clicked, and you can also avail the other tools like sizes here in selecting. Now you choose whichever is better for you. Maybe lighter color or darker color or whatever the color that you choose, that should be fitting for your invitation. For example, colleges and all, it should be lighter. There are very many varieties are available. Shall I go with this? Shall I go with this? This may be simple, or you can even go with the darker colors also. You choose the invitations, whichever that you like very much, whichever color that you like very much. I'm just going ahead with this invitation background, and you see there are some letters or something like that. Yeah, copy this, paste it in the Photoshop file and enlarge it with Ctrl T, transformation, enlarge it, bring it, make sure, see some letters are seen here. Just heal it with a healing brush, just increase the brush size. Just source alt, by pressing alt, the source is click the source and click it here, it is gone. It is gone. See, look at here, it is gone. It is gone. Yeah. Likewise here also, for example, again go here. See, it should be done with Pakka, otherwise it won't be good. Now I'm just turning it upside down so that invitation should start with the college. If it is official, it should be Pakka. Only then I'm just making it upside down, I'm just rolling it, that's all. Is that okay? Now I'm just going back to website for St. Joseph's College logo. Just make it a bigger one, and this seems to be better one. I'm just copying this logo. Just copy, bring it to Photoshop file, paste it here, make it little bigger. So that remove the single color with the magic wand tool. I'm just deleting. I am using delete key to remove that white color. I have removed it already. Now a simple, without any text I'm just giving. You just make sure you put all text properly. Now St. Joseph's College Trichy, I'm choosing my favorite font. You can choose your own font. It should be formal. It should be formal invitation, so use formal fonts. See, it depends. For example, if you are doing for parties or something like that, you can go for non-formal fonts. St. Joseph's College Autonomous. Yeah, I made it. Now can you see the font should be very smaller. Don't make it bigger one, otherwise it won't be that good. Make it smaller. The font size I made it smaller. Now it's okay. Now the color, go to layer style, color overlay, make it you shall go according to the color that is that fits the background. Better it should go according to the color that fits the background. Now Now I'm just going with monotype cursiva. There is a font, a simple font, and Colonna MT cordially invites you to the, see, make it smaller, don't make it too bigger, otherwise it won't be good. Now college 175th annual day, 175th college day, or for something. Now 175th, I'm just making it college day. Change the font size, change the font. Certainly this font may not be good. Change some font which is good. I'm just making this font. Don't make it too big. If you feel that it should be bigger, and you can adjust it a bit. Yeah, I made it. Now I'm just going with the date, and I'm choosing some other font. Make use of some simple fonts for date and other things. Date, maybe 25th 4 2020 Saturday. Time 10 a.m. Okay, just make it smaller, much smaller. Yeah, made it smaller. And the venue, go for layer, duplicate layer, make it a duplicate layer, and bring one more. Yeah, a venue, college venue, Lolly Hall. So it is done. Now we shall give colors. Now go back here, select this 175th college day, layer, go to gradient overlay. So I'm making double color, whichever color that suits well you can choose. So I'm just choosing this color. Yeah, fine. Now for this cordially invite, go to layer. I can go for blue. Blue suits any background. Blue suits any background, any dark blue, no, it suits any background. And for date also, layer, color overlay, choose blue. For example, if you have chosen one, if you want to copy the same, just select this date, go here to layer style, right click, copy layer style, and choose this one and paste layer style, which means whatever that is applied for this, and this will be applied for this also. Now I have completed for date and time. And now the chief guest, chief guest, you can use the font of St. Joseph's College, maybe this font, chief guest, Dr. Mailsami Anna Roy, Dr. K. Sivan. You type, it is only sample, please do not make it as a real one, just a sample. Chairman ISRO Delhi. Okay, right, we have put it. You make it, if you want, you can make it little more bigger also. Yeah, I made it little more bigger. And you must be very clear. See, whenever you design something, negative space should be more. For example, see here there are no letters. Don't design for all the entire page, it won't look good. When you have more empty space, the invitation will look good. Yeah, maybe if you like to have his picture, that is okay, otherwise you can simply put all are invited or something like that in a cursive font. All are invited. That's all. That's all. The invitation is ready now. Maybe you can put some bouquet or something like that in the corner, some flower at the corner. Otherwise, you can simply leave it. Color overlay, just making use. Yeah. Now it's over. Now, if you want to make use of some flowers, bouquet or something like that, bouquet, flower bouquet, flower. At the corner, you can make use. Some white color will be better. Some flower bunch. Choose some nice ones. Shall I choose this one? Maybe. I don't know how will it fit, but okay. Copy. Paste it here. And remove all the white color. Yeah. It's done. Make it smaller. You can rotate it. Edit. Go to transform. Flip horizontal. You can put it this way, or you can put any other maybe side design, border designs like that. Maybe for example, go to custom shape. You avail lot of borders is here. It is here. You avail lot of borders. If you want to add more, you can put all here. Append. If you do not understand, please rewind it and see the thing. Yeah, see. So you can make it here. You can make it like this. If you want to make this color, change the color. Change the color to some fitting color. Reduce the. See, you have one more. I made it a duplicate layer and change the edit. Go to edit and change. Go to edit and change. Flip horizontal. Bring one more here. See, so if it doesn't look, please change it. You can even reduce little more little bit. Yeah. And now, my dear friends, it is ready. Invitation is ready. How do you make it JPG file? Now, by default, it takes you to PST file. But when you give it to press, you should not give it to PST. It may be editable, but when you confirm your file, make it as a JPG file. Just making it as a JPG file. Invitation. I'm just saving it as an invitation. It is ready now. It's ready. Now, what do? I just make it now I've saved it. Go to, how are you going to give it to shop for printing? New. The size that is available for printing is 13 inch. 19 inch width and 13 inch height and 300. Or common size is 18 by 12. 18 by 12. Okay. Right. Now it is ready. Now take that. Open. Go to that JPG file. Invitation. Yeah. Invitation is here. Open that. It's ready. Now bring it here. Or you can put it like this. Yeah. Take one more shape. Take one more by pressing Alt. Alt will help you to have one more invitation. Yeah. Now choose both by pressing Shift. By pressing Shift, I'm choosing both the layers. Now press Alt. You will have one more set of invitation. Now it is ready. Now go to File. Save as, make it as a JPG file, you can give it. This is one method. The other method is, now I'm unsaving it. Other method is go to edit, define pattern. Just put invitation. Okay. It is ready. Now go to file, new. It is width is 12 and height is 19. and the resolution is 300. It should be equal to, the resolution should be equal to the pattern that we have chosen. Okay, now go to this file, go to this tool, paint bucket tool, go to pattern, here select pattern and choose your pattern. That, yeah, invitation is pattern. Now look at here, automatically the 4 invitations will come, and the remaining down, you can remove this and put your visiting card. Put your visiting card down so that you get 2 or 4 visiting cards down at the bottom. Now you have got 4 invitations can be printed, and you ask them to cut. They will help you in the shops, printing shop. They will help you with cutting the file. So my dear friends, that's all with regard to invitation making. I suppose all of you will do it, and your clarifications are made clear. And tomorrow we will be catching you with some more designs and photo touching. An interesting session is how to touch photos, how to make modification using photos. Now my dear friends, invitation designing is over. Now all the very best for you to have beautiful designs. Thank you.